This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Highlander key fob battery. This simple process will save you time and money, and you can do it right at home. You will need a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery, which is a 3-volt lithium battery. While not strictly necessary, a small flathead screwdriver can also be very useful for this task. To begin, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob and slide out the emergency key. With the emergency key removed, you will see a small slot or notch inside the opening. Insert the tip of the emergency key into this slot. Now, gently twist the key as if you are turning a lock. This action will carefully separate the two halves of your key fob's casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, round battery inside. Carefully use a small flathead screwdriver or the tip of your emergency key to gently pry out the old battery. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented, noting that the positive side, marked with a plus sign, typically faces upwards. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up. With the new battery securely in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Gently press them together until they snap firmly into place. Next, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until it clicks. Finally, test your key fob by pressing the buttons to ensure it is working properly. You should see a small red light illuminate, confirming successful battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.